Scanned PDFs often contain blurry text, dark shadows, uneven lighting, stains, or poor scan quality that make them difficult to read. Instead of editing everything manually, you can use this free AI tool to clean up your scanned documents in just a few minutes. To get started, open any browser and search for Grok. Open the website, then click on the +A+ icon to start a new chat. Next, tap on Upload a file and select the scanned PDF you want to improve from your device. Whether it's a scanned report, study notes, contract, invoice, or an old document, simply upload it and wait for the file to finish processing. Once your PDF has been uploaded, switch the model or processing mode to fast so the AI can generate results more quickly. Now, in the prompt box, describe exactly what you want the AI to improve. For example, you can ask it to clean up the scan, improve readability, remove shadows or scan artifacts, enhance text clarity, straighten the pages, or make the document look cleaner while preserving the original content. The more specific your prompt is, the better the final result will be. After writing your prompt, simply click the Submit button. The AI will analyze your document and begin generating an improved version based on your instructions. Depending on the size and quality of the original PDF, the process usually takes a few moments. Once it's finished, Grok will provide the enhanced version of your document. Take a moment to review the output and compare it with the original scan. If you want even better results, you can refine your prompt and generate another version with more specific instructions. When you're happy with the final document, simply click the Download button to save it to your device. This is perfect for improving scanned notes, office documents, research papers, receipts, invoices, archived files, and other PDFs that need better readability before sharing, printing, or storing. The best part is that everything works directly in your browser. There's no need to install complicated software or spend hours editing documents manually. Just upload your scanned PDF, describe the improvements you want, and download a cleaner, more professional-looking document in minutes.